Hi guys, welcome back to my channel yemcheppavcharu. So today I'm going to discuss about previous year question papers of class 10 science. So first we'll see the 1 mark questions one by one. In section A, first question is, what is the function of galvanometer in a circuit? Galvanometer is a device that is used to detect the presence of current in the circuit and measure the amount of current present or passing in the circuit. Question number 2 is, what is biogas and why it is considered as an excellent fuel? Biogas is generally a non-toxic and no pollution free and environmental friendly gas. So it causes no pollution, and as it is environmental friendly, and the biogas plant from which biogas is produced serves as an excellent way of waste disposal. So it is economical and produces a large amount of heat per unit mass, so it is considered as a very excellent fuel. In section B, question number 3, how it can be proved that the basic structure of modern periodic table is based on the electronic configuration of atoms of different elements. For this you have to be thorough with the modern periodic table, and you can actually distinguish between the classic periodic table and modern periodic table. Modern periodic law states that the physical and chemical properties of a particular element are the periodic function of the atomic number. So here we have two examples, lithium and silicon. So here the valence electron of an element decides its position in the particular group or a period. For example, here they have taken lithium's atomic number is 3, so its configuration is 2 and 1, so it belongs to the second period and first group. Next you have silicon's atomic number is 14, so it means it belongs to third period and 14th group, and the name of that particular element is silicon, and it's a metalloid because it has properties of both metal and non-metal. Next, question number 4. Here two different ways in which glucose is oxidized to provide energy in the human body is asked. So you can write C6H12O6, which is glucose, in the presence of cytoplasma that is present in the human body. So in the presence of cytoplasma membrane, it gives a byproduct called pyruvate, and that in the presence of oxygen gives to releases carbon dioxide, water, and 38 ATP of energy. But if this reaction happens in the absence of oxygen, then it will give ethanol, C2H5OH, ethanol, carbon dioxide, and 2 ATP of energy. So presence of oxygen, in the presence of oxygen, if glucose decomposes to give energy and carbon dioxide, that is called as aerobic energy respiration. And in the absence of oxygen, if glucose gets decomposed, then it gives to ethanol, and that is called as anaerobic respiration. So now question number 5, define the term power of accommodation and write the modification in the curvature of eye lens. See, if you're forced to see a particular object, then your eyes will get enlarged and you can see the object clearly. So this tells that the ciliary muscles in your eyes gets contracted. Okay, so when it gets contracted, the curvature of that eye will be enlarged and it will be more thicker. So when it will be more thicker, you will be able to see the particular object very clearly, and the focal length of that eye lens will be decreased. So this is the reason we can see the objects clearly.